It's Our Limitless Self. Lesson of Nature, Part 3. The trees, the plants, the animals, everything, us, well, not so much us anymore, but the plants and the animals, and just nature goes with the flow. It goes with the flow, with the flow of the universe, the cosmic flow of the universe. Nature goes with the flow of the universe. It's quite simple. Since nature goes with the flow, with the cosmic flow of the universe, it doesn't resist, It still is itself. Like, for example, this tree is still a tree, it's still growing every day, it's still living. But the thing is, even though it's growing and being its true authentic self, it's still going with the flow. How amazing is that? At the same time, because it's still growing, it's still living, being itself. But when a wind blows or breeze, it goes with it, it's like it goes with it. It doesn't like fight it. You know what I mean? It goes with it. Goes with the flow. Going with the flow makes the tree stronger. Because if the tree would try to fight it all its life, it wouldn't really grow. Nature goes with the flow. This is a lesson of nature part 3. Things that don't go with the flow, or not things, but like basically everything that's happening is what's supposed to be happening, but there's a cosmic level of awareness that you are just going with the flow of the universe. You're not forcing. You're still living yourself. You're still living your dreams, pursuing your passions, all this, just like the tree. But at the same time, you're going with the flow. It's how to grow yourself, how to grow your life, how to grow your happiness, freedom, fulfillment, bliss, love, joy, and at the same time experience, because you're still going to have experiences that are quite painful, negative. It's still going to hurt, but if you go with the flow, you're just going to grow from it. It's Our Limitless Self. I thank you all for watching. Hope this is encouraging to go with the flow, go with nature. Much love. As always, I'll see you guys tomorrow.